Yes, guys, one of the best things that have just happened today is this beautiful waterfall which is found inside the Sun Island in Harbin city. So yes, according to the descriptions about the cave, I mean about the place, there is this waterfalls behind me. But apart from that, I think there is a cavern, a man-made cavern. You see, there is some people going outside on that end. I don't think if you can see them. Yeah, but there is this road. So what I will be trying to do is I'll try to go through the caverns. Well, man, it's real beautiful. It is so beautiful. Yes, as you can see, it's magnific. It's magnificent. Yes, and I think there is a way through which you can go through the caverns, but I don't know if I'm on the right deep water danger. Okay, anyway, let me go and check if we can go on this end or on the other one. Please do not step or... Ooh la la! You? Actually,
发大财，好运天天来，这有余粮，买余粮喂鱼，喂鱼祈福。
you
喂
feed
鱼发大
this
财，升官又发财。精致自在口味，
for fish? 这个 for going in
喂鱼发大财，好运天天来，这有余粮，买余粮喂鱼。
Oh, you go and feed fish. Okay, sure. Okay, guys, I can buy here the food for the fish and going to give a shot with the fish. I don't know what do they do if you put them food. No, I don't have a cash. I don't have cash. 1 minute. So I'm gonna pay first with the. Yeah, so I just bought the food for the fish, and wow, there is a lot of them. Please, can you let me check? Let me see what. Yeah, look at them. They will be. They are kissing each other's lips. Yeah. Wow. Beautiful. Oh la la. It's beautiful, man. Look. Man. This is. Wow. Beautiful. Wenda kuifuata naogelea nayo.
Unamwagia?
Yeah. Wow. Man, this is beautiful. This is beautiful. Wow. Yuani kumi is worth everything, yani. Okay, kuna cave kule ndani ya tuangalie basi. Tuingie kule kule. Wow. I will come back later when I know more Chinese to learn more about this thing. How are they doing? She fun? I mean, no, she fun. She. I mean, it. She fun. Fun is in Chile. Fun is food. Okay, share. 谢谢，再见，谢谢。Nini tena mbona acheka sana? Hi. Yes, guys, it was adventures with those fish, man. I mean, it's just so beautiful. Now we've just got this waterfall thing, and we've got this cave. I do remember last time I was in Amboni, Tanga, we had caves, and the good thing is in Amboni now they have put the lightnings as well. But I think here it's a little bit different. Yes, it's a little bit different because the lightning here, you can see the stalactite, and I'm pretty sure that I can see some stalagmites as well. But yeah, so this is stalactite and stalactite and stalactite. Yes, my geography people understand what I mean. All this noise is the fucking waterfalls. So beautiful, guys. It's so beautiful. Wearing stuff, it's not running. Yeah, so you're not supposed to be running out right here. You're not supposed to be lining out right here. The stalactites are just amazing. We have some in Tanzania, in Amboni Caves. But wow, this one are worry and are real good. They really are beautiful. Yo guys, welcome to the adventurous Sun Island. Just so beautiful, guys. Take a look. Everything is well taken care. See all these stalactites. The cave is just big, it's so beautiful. Yo, ooh la la. Yeah, of course, this is the pillars, the connection of stalagmite and stalactite. They connect to the walls and the one at the bottom, and they make this beautiful stalactite. The pillars. Another one, these are full of stalagmite, and stalactite. Stalactite and stalagmite. Stalactite. Wow. Beautiful, guys. It's so beautiful. I do remember in Tanga, we had all this dancing sort of thing, but here it's just something new. It is just something new. Yo guys, please do not forget to subscribe and sharing my channel. I keep on giving you the best that we got in here. In Harbin City. Yeah, man. This is just so cool. This is just so beautiful. Wow. It's just a wow factor. Wow, hugging factor. Wow. Natural. Wow.
Jamani, sasa acheni ile mipango yenu ya Amboni. Hapa kuna cave hiyo ina discolite. Yes, lakini Amboni pia tulikuwa na ile dancing queen. Amboni ukifanya hivi unasikia unadumbukia, unakukukiwa. Huko unaruka, unacheza sasa unafanya party kabisa.
Yeah. No worries, guys. I'll make sure that I'm sharing this video on my YouTube channel tonight, and everyone who missed this one, you'll have to see it in my YouTube channel later. Yeah. Guys, this is beautiful. Look at this waterfall. I showed you in the beginning the waterfalls, and well. Ni hao. Hello. Ni jao Zhang Min. Zipo taa hizi hapa zijawashwa, lakini zinawakia ziwake automatic. Zadongma. Yes, and we are out right here. I'll be connecting the square that I promised you earlier. But before that, man, the fish was beautiful, guys. Trust me, the fish was... wow. Yeah. Yes, so this is the waterfall that I was showing. We are witnessing inside the caves here. And it's just so beautiful. It is so beautiful. Don't worry, guys. I'm your boy. I'm your guy, DJ Manuel, man travel abroad. You know what I mean? You know. Ni hao. Hao le. Harbin Ho. Harbin Ho Zaijan. Yes, so this is the spectacular view of the Sun Island waterfalls. Man, this is beautiful. The true meaning of beautifully. I'm just hoping there is no crocodiles in here.